Hi everyone, it's Sue Plumb here to share an unboxing video for the Kitaholic Kits January kit. Now I am super excited to crack into this one, and I know my unboxing video is a little bit late for you. Those that know me personally will know that unfortunately my mum passed away just before Christmas, and I haven't actually been doing anything creative. So this unboxing video is a little bit late, and I am only just cracking into the kit now. So I will open it up and let's have a look at what's in here. So I'm going to start with the contents of the main kit, because in here we've got the main kit and the mixed media add-on. So we'll start with the contents of the main kit. And as I said, I'm really excited to get into this one because it's got some things in it that I know I'm going to love, because I was lucky enough to have a little bit of a sneaky peek from one of my fellow DT members. So let's get started with the papers. So I knew we had some Vicky Bouton papers coming in this, and if you know me, you know I love my Vicky Bouton stuff. So starting with some papers, this one from the Storyteller collection, and as you can see it's like a constellation type print, and then on the back it's just got typed text on the back. It's got a sort of greenish tinge to it, so I know that one will be good for some boy pages. We've got this one, which is from the Heidi Swap Old School range. So it's a cut apart sheet, and already I'm excited because I can see tags and labels and titles and subtitles, and this is the print on the back, which is a geometric. Then we've got this one, also a Vicky Bouton paper, and this has got a gorgeous mixed media vibe. So it's got some paint splatters and it's got sort of a paint wash across the bottom here, and then on the back it's got a really dark pinstripe. I don't know if you can see that. This one also from Heidi Swap Old School. It's got the words Weekend Vibes printed across the page. And then it's got this large wide stripe that's got like a wood grain, a white and a pink. Another Vicky Bouton one. This is Vicky Bouton Storyteller again, and it's the cut apart sheet. So I can see a few icons there, particularly that gorgeous large butterfly there that I'd be fairly keen to fussy cut out. And on the back of that one is just a simple grid print. This one again is from Storyteller, and it's this really thin sort of doodled stripe there, almost like pen lines on the page. And then on the back it's got this floral print, which is that a protea? I don't know. I'm not really a gardener. Can you tell me what flower that is if you know? Is that a protea? Okay. This one's from Old School again, Heidi Swap Old School, and it's this large leafy print on the page that might be good for fussy cutting out those elements, because to be honest I sort of struggle with some of those large print pages like that, so that might be good for some fussy cutting. And then on the back it's just got a simple "You're one of a kind" on a pink background. This one is also from Vicky Bouton Storyteller. Oh, I love this butterfly. Enjoy every moment, it says. Stay wild. So this is a cut apart. This has got the 6x4s on it. So you could use those in pocket pages. You could just use them for layering. On the back, it's just got a black and white sort of geometric on the back. This one, again, Heidi Swap Old School. That's quite a loud sort of geometric print with those bright colours. That would look really good in layers. I don't know if I'd necessarily use that as an entire background because it's so busy, unless you sort of maybe put a whitewash over it just to tone it down a bit. And then it's just got like a watercolour style blue and white on the back. And then this one is from, it's a pink paisley. and many more. And it's a beautiful floral. I might have to fussy cut that one. And it's just got a pink polka dot on the back of it. So they are our papers. All right, embellishments. So to go with the Vicky Bouton papers, we have got the Vicky Bouton Storyteller Stickers. Let's pull them out of the pack. So they're the 6x12 cardstock stickers. They've got beautiful gold foiling on them. Lots and lots of little phrases and stuff there. A few icons, flowers, hearts. Some of my favourite things. So we've got those. We've got some thickers. And this font is called Grove. Can you see those without too much shine? I hope so. A really nice sort of mid-green. I really like those. I like the font too. We have got Jen Hadfield, Floral Ephemera from the Avenue. Oh, look at those flowers. I'm not going to pull them all out of the packet now because they'll just go everywhere, but they'll be going in my little white bowl there when I work with them. We've got a chipboard title. It says Focused. Hopefully I can remain focused this year. Like I said, I'm a little bit distracted. We've got a couple of paper doilies. We've got some wood veneer stars, and I absolutely love these. I love wood veneer and I love stars, so they will be featuring heavily. I have got some green rhinestones. I've got a package of sequins, so good for a little bit of bling. Oh, we've got another chipboard title. This one says Strong. These have been cut by Corbett Creations. So 2 chipboard titles to work with there. So that is the contents of the main kit. Plenty of goodies to create with there. And then this month we have actually got we got a gel printing plate. Now I have worked with a gel printing plate before. If you are not familiar with how to work a gel plate, I would say go onto YouTube. There are stacks and stacks of videos. I'm sure our DT will have plenty of videos to inspire you using the gel plate. If you don't know what a gel plate looks like, this is exactly what they look like. Just a large gelatinous square, and working with this, we'll be using some acrylic paints. So these are from Craft, and we've got a little pretty little rainbow of colors there. Can you see those? Really lovely. They've been chosen to design coordinate with the colors of the kit. So we've got marine blue, tropical water, heritage green, dusty pink, and mango. So I always love the chance to play with some paint, so I'll be using those as well. So yes, there is my unboxing of the Kitaholic Kits January kit. Like I said, I am going to do my best to get some content out with this kit this month, but please forgive me, I am a bit behind due to personal circumstances, and yeah, I'll do my best to get some stuff out for you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.